Number 5. The Aroma Housewares 1.5Qt. Rice and grain cooker is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. With its sleek design and compact size, it seamlessly fits into any countertop space. This product offers a simple and convenient way to cook rice and grains to perfection. One of the key features of this rice cooker is its capacity. It can cook up to 1.5 quarts of rice or grains at a time. This makes it suitable for small to medium-sized families or for individuals who enjoy hosting small gatherings. The generous capacity ensures that you can easily prepare enough food to satisfy everyone's appetite. In terms of dimensions, this rice cooker measures 8 inches in diameter, 9 inches in width, and 8 inches in height. These compact dimensions make it easy to store and transport when necessary. The corded electric power source ensures that you can quickly and efficiently cook your rice and grains without any hassle. One of the standout features of this product is its dishwasher-safe design.